Now we are in Italy. Italian wines are like the country. They are so much fun, so different type of wines. You never get bored. You have so many different wines from many regions. There are so many regions. So I invite you to try, in this case, Valpolicella. We do have a Valpolicella, a Montepulciano, okay? And the name of these are because of the region they are produced, okay? If once you tried and taste these beautiful ones, you could also take a further step in terms of quality. So you take a Chianti Classico, okay? That's beautiful Chianti that is produced in Toscana, okay? And just to finish, in terms of quality, you have beautiful Barolo. Okay, in Italy you have the most important DOs qualified are Barolo and Barbadesco, and we are missing Barbadesco because they do not have Barbadesco, but I invite you to taste this Barolo, and I will taste all of them in the following steps as I mentioned: Valpolicella, Montepulciano, Chianti, and Barolo. Okay, so I'm missing one of the beautiful Italian wines that I really love, which is Amarone, okay? But let's see where we do find Amarone. Next time we see each other somewhere. Choose